How can I keep from singing your praise? This is the song How Can I Keep From Singing by Chris Tomlin, Matt Redman, Ed Cash. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the chord sheet that you can print out, and it'll make a lot more sense to you. So this song is in the key of C. I have kind of stripped it down to the basic chords, kind of cut out some of the confusion so that you can chord along to it. So we have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and a D minor. So 5 chords. So let's go ahead and look for the C chord. If you look for this group of 2 black notes, the C is right next to them. And if you line up your 5 fingers and play every other note, C, E, G, that's a C major chord. Okay. Right next to that is our D minor. So just move up 1 set of notes. D, F, A. That's in the bridge there, that D minor. Okay, so C, D minor. And then let's come down here and play an F chord by these 3 black notes. The F is right there. F, A, C. Okay. And then G is right next door to there. G, B, D. And move up 1 set of notes again, and you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. All right, so just those 5 chords. So let's review. C, D minor, F, G, and A minor. All right, so left hand is going to be just playing single notes to keep it simple. We're going to put thumb on C, and when we play the C chord up here, we're just going to match it up, play the C single note down here. For that D minor, I'm just going to open my thumb and just play this D here by opening my thumb up 1 note. Okay, then F to F, G to G, and A minor to A in the bass. Okay, pretty simple. All right, so let's just talk about the rhythm that we're going to bring the 2 hands together. This song is kind of written in 12/8 time signature. I'm not going to get into the theory. I'm just going to try to give you a quick way to be able to play along to this song that makes sense. So I'm going to sing it with verse 1 so you can see how I'm going to do it, and then I'll kind of going to break down the rhythm for you. There is an endless song echoes in my soul. I hear the music ring, and though the storms may come, I am holding on to the rock I cling. Okay, so the rhythm I'm doing is just this simple 1, 2, 1, 2. Together, right, together, right. How can I keep from singing your love? How can I ever say enough? See how that's just kind of a good foundation to play a song, is just this nice marching rhythm. Gives you something to build on. Okay, so let's jump into that chorus, and then we'll come back and talk about the verse, I guess. Or let's just jump into that verse, sorry. Let's just jump into verse 1 slowly so you can play along with me. So there is an endless song, echoes G in my soul. A minor right next door. I hear the music F ring, and though the C storms may come, I am G holding on. Okay, A minor to the rock I F cling. All right. So verse 1 and 2 are the same. They're just identical there. Let's jump into the chorus here. And how can I keep from singing your G praise? How can I F ever say C enough? Our F chord again. Amazing is your G love. Okay, C chord here. How can I keep from shouting your G name? And I know I'm the C, King, and it F makes my G heart wanna C chord sing. Sorry, I got a head cold here. Let's take a look at that bridge. And their bridge is just repeating D minor, C, F, G over and over and over. So I'm not going to probably go through the whole entire thing because you get the drift. Okay, so D minor here, and we're just opening our thumb up to this D here. I can sing in the C chord, troubled times, F chord, sing when I G, when I can D minor again, sing when I lose my step, and F, fall down again, and it just repeats that D minor, C, F, G, okay? And then the ending is kind of just a repeat. I am loved by the King, and it makes my heart. I am loved by the King. So it's just kind of repeating the last part of the chorus. So it goes like this. I am loved by the C, King, and it F makes my G heart. I am, loops back in again. Loved by the King, and it makes my heart want to sing. Then you can kind of end the song like that. All right, so you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end, and you can sing and play along with me. If you goof up, just pick up where you can and keep going. All right, here you go. You can do it. There is an endless song echoes in my soul. I hear the music ring, and though the storms may come, I am holding on to the rock I cling. And how can I keep from singing your praise? And how can I ever say enough? How amazing is your love? How can I keep from shouting your name? And I know I'm loved by the King, and it makes my heart wanna sing. I will lift my eyes in the darkest night, for I know my Savior lives. And I will walk with you, knowing you'll see me through, and sing the songs you give. And how can I keep from singing your praise? How can I ever say enough? How amazing is your love? How can I keep from shouting your name? I know I'm loved by the King, and it makes my heart wanna sing. I can sing in the troubled times, sing when I win. I can sing when I lose my step and fall down again. I can sing 'cause you pick me up, sing 'cause you're there. I can sing 'cause you hear me, Lord, when I call to you in prayer. I can sing with my last breath, sing, for I know that I'll sing when the angels and the saints around the throne. And how can I keep from singing your praise? How can I ever say enough? How amazing is your love? How can I keep from shouting your name. And I know I'm loved by the King, and it makes my heart. I am loved by the King, and it makes my heart. I am loved by the King, and it makes my heart wanna sing. I can sing. How can I keep from singing your praise? And how can I ever say enough? How amazing is your love? How can I keep from shouting